We're gonna cold start my bike today again, see if we can, because it's much warmer than it has been. So hopefully, just hopefully, we can get her started. I'm sure we will. Before I do that, I'll probably just give it a good little wash down, just because it's becoming more springtime, and why not, right? Yeah, she's pretty dirty. She's been sitting in the garage for quite some time, as you can see. Just trying to show you the dirt. Oh, the dirt. All the beautiful dirt that I need to clean off. Yep, I'm pretty sure she's gonna start right up, so. All right, actually I just got my key right now to start it up. I'm gonna wait to wash it till I actually start her up, because I just want to see if I just want to hear her. Oh, it's been a minute. It's been a minute, and I had to go get a hat too, because it's way too bright out here. It's way too bright out here. Let's see if I can do it without the choke on. Oh, let's just see, eh? Let's just see. Oh. Okay, choke a little on. I can't see myself. Do I even need to see myself? Oh yeah, I do, because this camera can't freaking autofocus, and I can't even face it right. Okay. I'm gonna leave it running for just a little bit. There's some old gas in there, and I need to give it an oil change too, and a new oil filter. So I might do that in another video, but yeah, I'll let her just run for a little more, and then let's give her a good old wash, a wash, eh?